If a dominant chord is like a spaceship taking us to new planets or keys, then we could create a new spacecraft in a few seconds whenever we want using tritone substitutions. The tritone substitution is an advanced harmonic technique, but don't worry, I'll break it down to make it as simple as a beginner's guide to rocket science. A dominant 7th chord resolving down a perfect 5th is the most powerful harmonics gesture in music. It's an extremely common and straightforward sound. I'm sure you've heard it many times. If we compare our dominant 7th chord to a spaceship, we could say that going down a perfect 5th is the safest way to return home. But if we want to introduce new sounds and change our musical landscape, then we might consider changing this spaceship with a different one. To create a new chord that is a spaceship that can safely take you home, you just need to 1. Start with a dominant chord, for example F#7. 2. Keep the engine, which is the tritone, in this case E and A sharp. The tritone is a special interval that remains the same when inverted, and, like an engine, is responsible for the movement of our spaceship. For more about this, you can watch a video about the tritone that I made some time ago. And 3. Change the outer structure of the spaceship, from C# and F# to C and G, by moving one tritone away from the original chord. So you go from this to this. And there you have it, a brand new chord, the spaceship, with an engine powerful enough, the tritone, to take you home. Have a listen. If we look closely at this engine, the tritone, you'll notice that one of the two notes plays a specific role in melodies. It's called the leading tone. Let's talk about that in our next video. I'll see you there.